Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, the broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Walking to the Seagrove Model down in Englewood, Florida. We're just 3 miles to the beach. This is going to be 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office and or den, 1448 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. So like I mentioned, this is a paired villa, so you do have another unit right next to you. Each of the units will have a 2-car garage. Let's go inside to this unit. Opening up. So over to the right of me, here is your dedicated office and or den. I do love the corner windows, brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around, another view of the living space right over here. Turning back around, another view of the dining space and your kitchen towards the back. Let's walk into the kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop. Turning back around, you do have entry out to your 2-car garage, your AC closet, and back over here is going to be your pantry. Turning back around, another view of the kitchen space. Let's go find your guest bedroom. So here's your first guest bedroom right over here. And then right next door, you do have a dedicated bath. Right behind here is going to be your laundry. Again, going back into the living space. Also towards the back of the property, you will have a dedicated owner bedroom. Going into your bathroom, double vanities, and of course you do have a lovely walk-in tiled shower. Turning back around, get another view of the owner bedroom, and then going into the owner closet. And let's take a look at the back lanai. If you want any more details, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575. Opening up, here's a view of the back lanai. This one does have the extension. Again, absolutely beautiful, very, very peaceful. Again, turning around. Again, give me a call at 941-303-9575 or visit my website, liveplayflorida.com.